In this video, we will see the next type of a simplification of a context-free grammar, and that is nothing but elimination of a unit production. What is unit production? Let us see. A production of the form A gives B means one non-terminal gives the production of another non-terminal. It is known as unit production, or we simply call them as a variables also. For every context-free grammar G, for example, we will take every context-free grammar G with unit productions. We can find a context-free grammar G1 having no unit production such that L of G equals to L of G1 means after removal of a unit production grammar will be G1 means some another forms will be achieved. The procedure for finding G1 means equivalent grammar of G without the unit production is, for example, we will see it as the technique is used on expansion of a unit productions unit. It disappears. This technique works in most of the cases. For example, there is a production A1 gives A2. Again, there is a production of A2 gives A3, A3 gives A4, and again this A4 ultimately produces A, means this is present in a cycle form. So we have to eliminate such unit productions. The steps for the same are like add all unit productions of a G to G1, means which are the unit productions, means like A gives to B are the unit productions. Suppose they are part of G, then include them in G1 also. Locate every pair of variables, means for example AI, AJ, such that AI gives to AJ with all productions of the grammar G. Then form the pairs constructed, means all these pair constructed are taken in considerations, and it is like a chain, means A1 gives A2, so on up to AJ gives alpha, and this alpha AJ gives alpha is nothing but a unit production. So each variable AI to AJ will derive the string alpha, and this is known as a unit productions. How to replace this unit production? We will see it with the help of an example. Consider this example. We have to eliminate the unit production from this grammar. Means applying the steps for removing the unit production from grammar. What we have to actually perform? We have to convert this G. This is the original G, and we have to convert it into G1, means without the unit production. So what we have to perform? First of all, first step is we have to add G1 having the production, for example P, and that rules are we have to add all such grammar rules of this G into P that are having non-unit production. Non-unit productions are having the only part up till this. These are all in non-unit productions. What is the actual part here which is showing us the unit production? That is S gives A and S gives B is actually a unit production. So don't include it into the grammar rules of G1. So it is like S gives ABA or BA or AA or AB. It is not actually or, but it is a supplement all the rules that are listed on a one line, but all are compulsory. Then we have to list out A gives AA or A and B gives BB or B. Now we have to find out what is the unit production. So we have already done this task. SQs A is unit production and SQs B is also a unit production. So simply remove this from grammar by expanding it into its actual definition terms. Means we have to discard it from our grammar, but we are not having a right to directly delete it from the grammar. But instead of that, we have to replace these grammar rules instead of that unit production. So that is, we will include A's expansion, that is the AA or A, and B's expansion, that is the BB or B. So this is the final production or the grammar G1 of the grammar G without the unit productions. So what actually we have to perform in eliminating of a unit production? We have to first find production of the form A gives B, that is a unit production in our grammar. Then we have to remove it, means we have to replace it with its actual definitions in the our given grammar, and then we will expand it on that production rules. So this is all about the removal of our unit productions from our grammar. Thank you so much.